One more.
Hi guys.
One more.
Sa Facebook?
Baby, say
Hi
hi.
guys.
Yeah, because they don't have space.
Ba't isang message ka lang?
Yung,
Hi guys.
hindi ba nag-replay? Ava, get a map. Ask, do you have a map here? Map. Are the apps for the map? How about where's the lunch? Where's the area where we can take the lunch?
Go straight,
The voucher?
turn right.
Turn right.
The Corner Cafe and the next stop.
What was the
Corner Cafe.
cafe?
Check at the end. We have a first floor.
What can you say? What did you see? Okay, go here. Go here.
Wait, nasan yung cafe?
So may Starbucks din dito eh. I know. Let's ask for the cafe. Excuse me. Excuse me. Where can we get the lunch for the voucher? Where can we get the lunch for the voucher?
Inside the castle.
Inside the castle? Thank you. Inside the castle.
Oh, nakakapagod sa castle?
Yeah, I think I paid for it.
Akala
For
ko
like
ano eh. Attend yung inside the castle dahil attend ko. Pero alam ko yung Elsa kasi nakikita ko yung cake. Kasi ako lang ko yun.
My 2 days. How much should I pay for this? Maybe 1 weekend. Tadaan! Oh, tanong mo to dahil may trust issues ako. Oh, kausapin mo muna yung audience mo. May trust issues ako. Magtatanong mo dito.
Okay. So guys, andito tayo sa Disneyland in Newcastle. Hindi mo actually makakita ang sinasabi. So, may Elsa pa sa likod. Tatanong si Mami. Grabe, rainy tsaka ang init. Grabe. Ito yung mga rides dito. Siguro na sa loob yan ng castle. Laki ng castle. Hong Kong. This is Hong Kong, not... Uy, birds. Ayun, madami pang gift dito. Pero wala pa ako nakakita ng mga parks. Medyo madaming tao kasi Sunday. May mga pagkain rin dito, Starbucks, foods, pero kailangan ko ba sabihin? Siyempre hindi siya free. Pero may binili si Mami na voucher. Doon sa loob daw ng castle. Pero ngayon, tatanong pa rin siya. Ayun na, may Main Street Corner Cafe. Marami dito mga cafe. Somethings. Foods. Kaya mga ganyan, no? Castle View gifts. May mga hats and mga gamit. Daming tao. Dilimit, pero init. Tagal ni Mami. Ganda ng kaso. Tara, silipin natin yung ayun yung Elsa. Sa likod ng castle. Siguro sa loob pa yung mga Wow, naka-Elsa siya. Magte-train ka na lang. Yun yung ginawa namin eh. Hello. My birthday is today. Nasa Hong Kong kami. Hong Kong Disneyland, Lantau Island. Ha?
Turn it off, because